دانش آموزان عزیز صبح بخیر. این مدیرتون است که صحبت میکنه. زیاد وقت کلاستون رو نمیگیرم. فقط میخوام اعلام کنم که از امروز تغییراتی در دروس شما رخ خواهد داد. معلمین گرامی این تغییرات رو به توجهتان میرسانند. درخواست من از همه شما عزیزان این است که با هوشیاری آموزش‌های معلم خود را آویزه گوش کنید. مطمئن هستم که شما هم برای خود و هم برای کل مدرسه افتخار آفرین خواهید بود. با تشکر.
ساکت. نظم کلاس حفظ کنیم. این درس اول امروزه. 2 به علاوه 2 مساوی 5. حالا تکرار کنیم. 2 با 2 میشه 5. 2 با 2 چند میشه؟ 5 میشه. بلندتر. 2 با 2 چند میشه؟ 5 میشه. بلندتر. چند میشه؟
5 میشه.
تکرار کنیم. 2 با 2 چند میشه؟
5 میشه.
چیه پسر؟
آقا اجازه مگه 2 با 2 4 نمیشه؟
من دارم به تو میگم 2 با 2 5 میشه. پس چه سوال نیست. فهمیدی؟
آقا فقط فکر کردیم که
فکر نکن. نمیخواد فکر کنی. 2 با 2 5 میشه. حالا بشین حرف نزن. دفتراتون رو باز کنین و بنویسین. 2 به علاوه 2.
آقا اجازه 2 به علاوه 2 میشه 4. وقتی همه چی 4 میشه چطوری ممکنه این دفعه 5 بشه؟
اصلا کی به تو چیز حرف زدن داد؟ به چه حقی مرزی سوال میبری؟
آقا فقط میخواستم بگم
2 با 2 5 میشه. تکرار کن.
ولی آقا روی تخته
تکرار کن.
2 به علاوه 2
رو به تخته.
4. همتون میدونین که 4 میشه.
تخته رو نگاه کن.
تو هم که میدونین 4 میشه چیزی نمیگی.
سکوت. چون نخور تو برگردم.
چکشه بابا. من میخوام همون تو در سر بندازی.
خیلی عصبانیش کردم. میاد پدرشو در میاره.
این دانش آموز فکر کنه از همه بهتر میدونه. خیلی روش زیاده. بگو ببینم پسر 2 با 2 چند میشه؟
آقا اجازه 4 میشه آقا.
شنیدی؟ باورتون میشه؟ این دانش آموزان از ممتازترین دانش آموزان مدرسه‌ان. الگوی این مدرسه‌ان. یه ذره از اینو یاد بگیریم. بگیم ببینم 2 با 2 چند میشه؟
آقا اجازه 5 میشه آقا.
آفرین. اینجا پسر. حالا حاصل جمع چند میشه؟ جواب صحیح رو بنویس. این آخرین فرصته. خب کسی دیگه هم هست که درس امروز رو نفهمیده باشه؟ نگاه کن. این بریم بیرون. دفتراتون رو باز کنه بنویسین. 2 به علاوه 2 مساوی 5. همینطور که بنویسین تکرار کنین. 2 با 2 چند میشه؟ 5 میشه. چند میشه؟
5 میشه.
بلندتر چند میشه؟
5 میشه.
بلندتر چند میشه؟
5 میشه.
بلندتر چند میشه؟
5 میشه.
چند میشه؟
5 میشه.
2 با 2 5 میشه. تکرار.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement.
Have you ever dreamed of going up to outer space? Or maybe meeting other beings from another place? Have you ever wondered what it's like on other planets? Then you watch a science show and come to believe you understand it? You feel empowered by the knowledge and you feel enlightened, listening to Bill Nye and Neil deGrasse Tyson. But then you wake up and you start to see the obvious. Life is just a lie and this whole world ain't what we thought it was. NASA's missions to the moon were never completed. They just filmed them in a room and people believe it. I used to wonder what it's like to be an astronaut. Now when I see them acting, I can't help but to laugh a lot. They give us cartoons and they claim that we live on a ball, but it's flat and it's not moving or spinning at all. Why you lying to us, man? That's something that we want to know. After that you're gonna have to pack up all your stuff and go.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space
History has been rewritten by winners of wars. The Jesuit order, Khazars, Freemasons and more. They pulled the veil over our eyes and it's time to awaken. Through organized indoctrination our minds have been taken. It's time we take our power back and we rescue our people. The Vatican and the bankers are like Resident Evil. They may have had the greatest plan that was ever concocted, but Illuminati never thought that they'd ever be spotted. They're manufacturing reality all in our heads. They tell us if the earth is flat then we'll fall off the edge, but if it is a spinning ball we won't fall off it then. And gravity is our imaginary magic friend. Why is water always flat when unmanipulated? Why are pictures of the earth computer generated? Why you lying to us, man? That's something that we want to know. After that you're gonna have to pack up all your stuff and go.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement.
Dear NASA, it's becoming 100% crystal clear that you and the other space programs that are in operation are connected and are deceiving the entire world. More and more people are waking up every single day, and we are now able to see right through you. But what we really want to know is, why are you lying? Sincerely, me and the great people of this earth.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement.
The captain thinks the world is round, see? But we all know it's a flat, right?
Of course it's flat. Sure, I know the world is flat.
Yeah, so do I. Everybody knows that.